Hey, Jason Stretch here, the owner of Legendary Automotive. If you're looking to purchase a used vehicle, whether it's an antique like this or like some of the vehicles here behind me, or whether it's something newer, perhaps a newer truck or whatever, it's still used, bring it to Legendary and let us do our pre-purchase inspection. A lot of times a vehicle can look good, drive good, but there can be some underlying problems maintenance-wise or repair-wise that may need to be addressed. The last thing you want to do is purchase a vehicle and then after purchasing it, find out that it needs thousands of dollars of work to be a reliable vehicle. We've seen a lot here at Legendary Automotive, and we can tell you with certainty the best thing you can do if you're looking to purchase a used vehicle is bring it to us before you purchase it. That way we can provide you with a comprehensive inspection of the vehicle. We're going to pull codes, we're going to look at everything. And we do it all digitally with pictures and video and deliver that to you. That way if there are problems and you can work something out with the place that you're purchasing it from, you know, they may do all that work. If it needs $1,000 worth of work, you can go to them at that point and say, hey look, I just had this inspection done and on the inspection it said this, that, and the other thing, and if you take care of that, I'd be interested in buying the vehicle. You know, the biggest thing is it's going to keep you from making a very costly mistake. Most vehicles sold in Florida are sold as is. Unless you're buying new or from a very reputable dealer, you can't take it back. It's yours forever. So if you're looking to buy a vehicle, think of Legendary Automotive. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you.